So in the previous video, we have discussed about antibiotics. That what is antibiotics? That if it is the disease or if the bacteria का जो भी ग्रोथ है उसका ग्रोथ उसको अगर स्टॉप करता है that it means it is antibiotic. If it is going to kill the growth of that bacteria or it is going to kill that particular bacteria, that is called an antibiotic. After that, we have talked about vaccination. So we have talked about the first vaccination and then the scientist, right? Next, we have talked about the transmission. मतलब कि आपको कोई disease लगता कैसे? So we have talked about indirect transmission and then we have talked about direct transmission, right? So now we are talking about the bacterial diseases. So which kind of disease is that? वो bacterial disease है, वो protozoal disease है, वो fungal disease है, right? या फिर वो virus related disease है. So we are going to talk about certain diseases, their symptoms, and वो कैसे transmit होता है और आप उसको रोक कैसे सकते हो, मतलब उसके precautions क्या ले सकते हो, right? क्या चीजें आप करोगे तो आपको वो disease नहीं होगा. So let's see the first one. So the first one that is about the bacterial diseases, right? तो उसके अंदर फर्स्ट है टीबी और यू कैन जो आप बोलते हो जनरली नॉर्मली यू आर स्पीकिंग इट टीबी. So the full form is that is tuberculosis. So talking about tuberculosis, that how it is going to transmit, right? So it is going to transmit it by the vector air. कि वो जो disease है वो air से फैलता है, right? नेक्स्ट थिंग इज सिम्टम्स. सिम्टम्स मतलब अगर ये चीज आपको ऐसा क्या आपको हो रहा है कि आपको पता चले कि हाँ भाई कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, राइट? सो द थिंग इज लो ग्रेड फीवर, मतलब हल्का हल्का सा बुखार होना या हल्का हल्का फीवर होना. द नेक्स्ट इज ब्रीथलेसनेस, मतलब आपको ब्रीदिंग करने में प्रॉब्लम होना या फिर ब्रीदिंग करते टाइम आपको बहुत ज्यादा थकान महसूस होना, राइट? तो मतलब ये नहीं है कि अभी आपको ये सिम्टम्स महसूस हो तो फिर यही होगा, राइट? यू नीड टू टेस्ट योरसेल्फ. द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज प्रिवेंटिव मेजर, मतलब क्या स्टेप्स आप पहले से ही करके रखोगे भाई डिसीज आपसे दूर है. तो द थिंग इज बीसीजी वैक्सीनेशन. ये टाइप की वैक्सीन है जो स्पेशली टीबी के लिए आती है. देन जनरल क्लीनलीनेस, मतलब अपने आसपास अपने घर में अपने रूम में क्लास में यू हैव टू मेंटेन द हाइजीन, राइट? तो क्लीनलीनेस रखनी है ताकि कोई भी बैक्टीरिया या कोई भी वायरस आपके नजदीक ना आए या फिर कोई डिसीज आपके घर पे नॉक नॉक करके अंदर चला ना आए, राइट? नेक्स्ट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट न्यूमोनिया, राइट? तो दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ डिसीज, ये भी एयर की वजह से फैलता है. और इसमें क्या सिम्टम्स आपको होते हैं? द सिम्टम्स आर हाई फीवर, इन्फ्लेमेशन ऑफ लंग्स, मतलब आपको बहुत तेज बुखार होना या लंग्स में इन्फ्लेमेशन हो जाना, मतलब सूजन हो जाना. दिस काइंड ऑफ सिम्टम्स आर ऑफ न्यूमोनिया. इसके लिए क्या कर सकते हो, राइट? सो द मेजरमेंट इज एंटीबायोटिक्स, मतलब ये नहीं है कि अगर ये डिसीज नहीं है तो उसको रोकने के लिए भी एंटीबायोटिक्स लेते रहो. नो, if your doctor is going to prescribe the antibiotics, only then you have to take the antibiotics. अगर आपको ये हो जाए तो आपको एंटीबायोटिक्स लेंगे पर पहले से नहीं लेंगे, राइट? यू कैन मेंटेन द जनरल क्लीनलीनेस या फिर मास्क पहनो जाओ कहीं पे भी जाओ, so that's okay, right? Next thing we are discussing that is about the next disease is cholera, right? ये डिसीज आपको वाटर और फूड से फैलता है, मतलब प्योर वाटर नहीं पिया, कोई गंदा पानी पी लेने की वजह से या फिर फूड में कुछ ऐसा आ जाने की वजह से आपको कॉलेरा हो सकता है, राइट? सो द सिम्टम्स इज वॉमिटिंग एंड लूज मोशन. वॉमिटिंग और लूज मोशन होने की वजह से आपको डिहाइड्रेशन, दैट इज नॉर्मल थिंग कि बहुत ज्यादा वॉमिटिंग और आपके बॉडी से पानी निकल जाने की वजह से आपको क्या हो जाता है? डिहाइड्रेशन, राइट? मतलब कि आपकी बॉडी में पानी की कमी हो जाती है. The next thing you can preventive measurement is that general hygiene. You have to maintain the hygiene of your house, of your room, of your class, wherever you are going in. You have to maintain a good hygiene. Next thing is good sanitation. Either you are at your home or anything else, please just check it out the washrooms and the bathrooms if they are clean or not. If you are at your home, regularly clean it. You have to maintain the good sanitation. Otherwise, any disease, not just cholera, any disease can happen to you. ये आपको कोई सा भी डिसीज हो सकता है। एंड थिंग इज वैक्सीनेशन, दैट इज अ की, कि अगर ये वैक्सीनेशन आपने ली है देन इट इज थिंग कि आप उसको पहले से ही प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट थिंग इज टाइफाइड। तो टॉकिंग अबाउट टाइफाइड, उसका भी यही हाल है कि वो वाटर और फूड से फैलता है। उसके सिम्टम्स के बारे में बात करें देन कंटिन्यूअस फीवर ड्यू टू इन्फेक्शन इन इंटेस्टाइन। इसका क्या है कि ये भाई आपको कंटिन्यूअस फीवर देने वाले हैं क्योंकि वो आपके इंटेस्टाइन में इन्फेक्शन कर देते हैं, राइट। द मेजर prevention you have to take, that is drinking boiled water, ubla hua pani piyo, right? Then good sanitation that we have discussed earlier, and the key that is about vaccination. Take a proper vaccination. Then you can just you can just stay away from this kind of diseases, right? Okay, so now we are discussing about viral diseases, right? So first we have discussed that was bacterial diseases, and this one is viral diseases. Number one, that is a common cold. So it is transmitted by air. So that we have discussed that if you are sneezing in publicly or coughing it without covering your mouth with handkerchief, then it is going to transmit, right? The next thing is we are discussing that is the symptoms. So running nose and watery eye, that we already know that what are the symptoms, right? सर्दी और खांसी के जो symptoms हैं वो आपको पहले से ही पता है, that नाक बहना और आँख में जलन होना या बहुत पानी आना, right? What should you take a precaution to prevent it? Keeping away from the person suffering common cold. जो भी पर्सन को कॉमन कोल्ड कफिंग स्नीजिंग ये सारे सिम्टम्स है उससे डिस्टेंस बनाए रखिए। राइट नाउ वी आर ऑल आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम दैट पेंडेमिक। वो क्या हमको बोलता है दैट मेंटेन अ गुड सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, मतलब कि अच्छा डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करो किसी भी पर्सन से, either it is the person is healthy or the person is suffering from common cold या फिर coughing or sneezing. But the key is you have to keep a good distance from each and every person right now, right? ये सिर्फ common cold की बात नहीं है. Right now we are suffering from COVID-19, so that we have to keep a habit that we have to maintain a good social distancing, right? Next thing is chickenpox. So talking about chickenpox, it is transmitted by air and direct contact. Right? If you are keeping a direct contact with the person who is suffering from chickenpox, then you maybe get the disease. The symptoms of it, that is very common, मुझे या आपको एक बार लाइफ में होता ही होता है. So the thing is, उसके symptoms क्या है? That you are getting rashes, red spots or rashes, fever and headache. These are the symptoms of chickenpox. What it is done to be prevented? That isolating the patient, मतलब उसको isolate करना, उसको कहीं अलग ही जगह पे रखना, right? Or you can do a vaccination. पहले से उसकी vaccination करवा, right? The next thing, number 3, jaundice, or you can call it hepatitis B. Right? So this is going to transmit by water. So the symptoms of it is yellowing of eyes, hands and urine. इसके most common symptoms क्या है? That आपकी eyes पीली पड़ जाती है या फिर आपको लगता है that your urine or all things are getting yellowish, right? So what you can do it, इसमें आप क्या कर सकते हो? That vaccination, that is a key. Then drinking boiled water and clean food, that is going to help you to prevent this disease, right? The next is polio. It is going to transmit it from air and water. So the symptoms of it is paralysis of leg muscles in the children. ये ना छोटे बच्चों को ही होता है और इसमें leg muscles paralyze हो जाते हैं, इसकी वजह से वो बच्चा कभी चल नहीं पाता, right? So the prevention is to give the proper vaccination. So we have discussed the several viral diseases, that is common cold, chickenpox, jaundice and polio. And right now we are discussing another viral disease, that is coronavirus or COVID-19. So what we have to do? Wash your hands properly, clean it each and every time, give a 20-second wash, or whenever you go out and when it is very necessary to go out, then keep a sanitizer hand. What you can do next is keep a good distance from the person so you can prevent yourself from this virus, right? So now we are discussing about protozoal diseases. Protozoal का मतलब हमने पहले ही इसको हमने learn किया था that the first animal that we have discussed. So talking about the protozoal diseases, the first one is malaria, right? So it is going to transmitted by the female Anopheles mosquito bite. We have discussed earlier, right? When we are discussing the transmission. So it is transmitted by the mosquito, and that mosquito is female Anopheles mosquito, right? The symptoms of it that is very common, that high fever with chill and cold, बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड लगती है, तेज बुखार के साथ. The prevention of it is avoid water to collect in around the house. मतलब आपके घर के आजू बाजू कहीं भी पानी को जमा ना होने दें. Next thing is spraying insecticide. Insecticide का स्प्रे करते रहें, right? The next is ongoing dysentery, right? Talking about that, it is transmitted by food and water, and the symptoms that is blood in stool. So आपको लूज मोशन हो जाता है, and then in your stool the blood is going to pass. The prevention is maintaining personal hygiene. बहुत अच्छी तरीके से sanitation और hygiene maintain करना. And next the must have thing is, the key thing is drinking boiled water. That is very important to prevent such kind of diseases. Now last and the final one, that we are talking about the fungal diseases, right? So talking about fungal diseases, the first thing is that is athlete's foot. So it is going to transmitted by air. और इसके नाम से आपको पता चलने वाला है ना, right? That fungal growth between your toes. आपके toes के बीच में आपको fungal growth दिखती है, right? That is going to be a symptom for the disease called athlete's foot. The measure you have to take, the prevention you have to take, that is keep your feet dry and clean. You have to wash your feet very frequently, then you have to keep it dry and you have to keep it clean. The next thing is ringworm. It is also going to transmit by air. The symptoms of it is circular rings on the skin. So if you have seen someone that is suffering from ringworm, it is going to, you can see the circular ring, red spots on the person's skin, right? And the prevention of it, it is always the thing that is medication, right? If you are suffering from the disease, you have to take several medicines, and that is it for today, right? So this is the fungal diseases that we have discussed. So what we
in the previous one, we have discussed about the disease-causing microorganism in humans. So we have discussed about the bacterial diseases, then we have discussed about the viral diseases, then the protozoan diseases, and then last the fungal diseases. That was the athlete's foot and the ringworm, right? So now, when we have started this topic, I have discussed with you that disease-causing microorganisms, they cause the disease in not only humans but in animals and plants also. So right now we are discussing about the microorganism, the disease-causing microorganisms in animal. So we are talking about the disease and the causative agent, मतलब कि जो उस डिसीज होने के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है, मतलब वही उस डिसीज को फैलाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ causative agent, right? Talking about the number one, that is foot and mouth disease in cattle. मतलब cattle में जो foot और mouth के जो disease होते हैं, the causative agent of that particular disease, that is virus, कि वो virus की वजह से फैलते हैं. Then the next one is anthrax disease in cattle. Cattle में होने वाला disease है anthrax. That is also that is because of the bacterium. मतलब कि वो किससे होता है? बैक्टीरिया से. Number 3, that is sleeping sickness. Sleeping sickness in cattle, in pigs and also in horses, right? ये वाली जो तकलीफें होती है जो एनिमल को होती है, दैट इज द डिसीज इज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ प्रोटोजोआ, राइट? सो वी हैव डिस्कस द three. Number one, that is foot and mouth disease, that is because of virus. Number two, the anthrax disease, that is because of bacterium. And number three, the sleeping sickness in cattle, pigs and horses, that is because of protozoan. So you might think that these things are not given in your textbook, but whatever the things are not given in your textbook, I am going through the detail of the each and every topic. So it might happen that if you are seeing your textbook, some topics are not there. So don't worry, because you are getting the additional knowledge which is related to your textbook topic. Okay, so now we are discussing disease causing microorganisms in plants. So talking about the diseases, that potato blight, that is the first disease that is going to be in potato. The causative agent, that is virus, कि वो वायरस की वजह से कभी कभी हो जाता है कि आपको पोटैटो में येलो कलर का कुछ पोटैटो के ऊपर दिखता है, राइट? दैट इज कॉल्ड अ ब्लाइट, मतलब कि एक बर्ड जैसा पोटैटो के ऊपर आपको दिखता है, दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ पोटैटो ब्लाइट, एंड दैट डिसीज इज बिकॉज ऑफ वायरस. The next thing we are talking about, that is tobacco mosaic, right? That is a virus, that is a disease that is caused by virus. The next is rust of wheat, मतलब कि wheat में rusting हो जाना, that is because of fungi. Next one is citrus canker, that is a kind of disease that is because of bacterium. The next thing is yellow vein in mosaic of okra. okra मतलब भिंडी, राइट? तो भिंडी वो जो आपको कभी कभी लगती है कि येलोइश है, या फिर उसकी जो वेन्स होती है, आप जब उसको भिंडी की सब्जी बनाते हो तो पूरा ऊपर से काटते हो तो उसकी जो वेन होती है वो आपको येलोइश दिखती है. अंदर जब आप उसको काटते हो, राइट, तो वो फिर आपको लगता है कि वो बहुत ही येलो हो चुकी है और उसमें से आपको लगता है कि जैसे पानी निकल रहा है. सो दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ येलो वेन इन मोजेक ऑफ ओकरा. ये वाला डिसीज है, तब ये होता है कि वो भिंडी खराब हो चुकी है, एंड दैट इज कॉज्ड बाय द virus. So in this one we have discussed about potato blight, that is just because of virus. Next we have discussed about tobacco mosaic, that is वो होता है tobacco में, that is just because of virus. Next is rusting of wheat, that is because of fungi. Next is citrus canker, that is also a disease, that is just because of bacteria. And the last one is the disease in okra, that is yellow vein in okra, right? And that is because of virus. So now we are discussing about the spread of the microbes disease, right? That is going to cause by the insects. So the first two insects we are discussing, that is the most common insects that is just responsible for the spread of disease, that is mosquito, and the next one is housefly. So what happens now? So we are first talking about mosquitoes. They are going to act as a vector, मतलब कि वो उसको help करते हैं healthy person के body में transfer करने में, right? So the thing is that it can act as a vector for many diseases causing virus and parasites. So the example of it, that is malaria. So as we have discussed earlier, that malaria is caused by the spread of फीमेल एनाफिलस मॉस्किटो, एंड इट इज कॉज्ड बाय अ प्रोटोजुअन. ये किससे होता है? प्रोटोजुअन से. और इस प्रोटोजुअन को वो मॉस्किटो कैरी करके हर हेल्दी पर्सन को इन्फेक्ट करने की ट्राई करते हैं. सो द नेम ऑफ दैट प्रोटोजुअन, दैट इज प्लाज्मोडियम, राइट? So when a female mosquito sucks a blood of an infected person, the plasmodium is carried into its body. ये कोई भी फीमेल मॉस्किटो है, किसी भी इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन का ब्लड सक करके खुद में ही वो प्रोटोजोआन को एंटर करती है, एंड आफ्टर दैट if the mosquito is going to bite a healthy person, and then the protozoan, it is going to transfer into that healthy person's body. Okay, so now we are discussing another disease causing insect, that is housefly. So as we have discussed earlier कि housefly उतनी ही harmful होती है जितने की mosquitoes, right? So it can also carry a harmful microbes from the food items or from the garbage. वो जहाँ भी जाती है वो कचरे पे बैठती है, and then the microbes are going to stuck with that particular housefly. When they sit on food items, the microorganisms get stuck to the food part.